Hello friends! Right now, we are going to show you 3 best fertilizer spreader, helping you easily choose the best option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. Scott's Turf Builder Edgeguard DLX Broadcast Spreader for seed, fertilizer, salt, ice melt. Holds up to 15,000 square feet. Product: green, spreader for lawn fertilizer, weed and insect control, grass seed, and ice melt. Holds up to 15,000 square feet of product. Brand: Scott's. Color: green. Material: grass. Item weight: 10.9 pounds. No assembly required. Scott's spreader comes pre-calibrated and ready to use. Use it year-round, including as an ice melt spreader or salt spreader for snow. Capacity: broadcast spreader holds up to 15,000 square feet of Scott's lawn products and can be used as a lawn food, salt, ice melt, or grass seed spreader. Operation: these fertilizer spreaders for lawns feature a hopper and agitator designed for smooth product funneling and consistent coverage. Side shield: Scott's exclusive Edgeguard technology on these broadcast spreaders for lawns keeps lawn product off landscaping, driveways, and sidewalks. Broadcast spreader: use the Scott's Turf Builder Edgeguard DLX broadcast lawn spreader to apply Scott's lawn care products like grass fertilizer for lawns.
Number 2. Scott's Whirl hand-powered spreader for grass seed, lawn fertilizers, salt, and ice melt. Handheld spreader holds up to 1,500 square feet of product. Brand: Scott's. Color: green. Material: metal, plastic. Special feature: adjustable arm support, smooth, even coverage. Operation: adjustable arm support on this seed, salt, and fertilizer spreader helps provide maximum comfort. Handheld spreader: perfect handheld fertilizer, salt, and seed spreader for small yards. Capacity: a seed, fertilizer, and salt spreader that holds up to 1,500 square feet of Scott's lawn products for year-round lawn care. Usage: these hand spreaders for lawns are great for year-round use to seed, fertilize, salt, and ice melt. Coverage: these salt, fertilizer, and seed spreaders for lawns are engineered for smooth, even coverage.
Number 3. 25 lb bag seed spreader for lawn. Adjustable handheld fertilizer spreader with shoulder strap. Broadcast grass seed spreader for lawn care, garden seeding, yard fertilizing. 25 lb large capacity seed spreader. Holds up to 25 pounds of grass seed or fertilizer, reducing refills and improving efficiency for larger spreading tasks. Adjustable broadcast spreader control. Easily control the spread rate for seed, fertilizer, salt, and other materials for more even and accurate application. Smooth enclosed gear operation. The enclosed gear system supports consistent spreading performance while helping protect internal parts from dust and debris. Adjustable shoulder strap design. Designed for more comfortable carrying with an adjustable strap and supportive structure to reduce strain during longer jobs. Multi-purpose lawn spreader. Ideal for use in lawns, gardens, yards, and landscaping areas when spreading seed, fertilizer, salt, and other materials.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.